Opening and purpose. This is a market structure explanation. This is not a trading call. This is not a prediction. We are only reading how the market behaved today using price, participation, and positioning data. Market snapshot. NIFTY traded through an RBI Monetary Policy session. Interest rates were unchanged. Policy stance remained neutral. The index closed near 25,690 after trading higher during the second half. There was no policy shock. The market was focused on absorption, not reaction. Price and activity. Price expanded compared to the morning range. At the same time, overall market activity increased. Price did not move faster than participation. Activity-led price. This confirms that today's move was accepted, not forced. Cash market behavior. Cash market turnover crossed 1.08 lakh crore. Participation was steady through the day. There was no rush and no exit pressure. Cash flows supported structure instead of reacting emotionally. Derivative composition. Total derivatives turnover crossed 1.75 lakh crore. Index options formed the largest share of activity. This confirmed that the session was options led, with futures and cash providing confirmation. Futures OI check. Index futures volume increased. Open interest remained broadly stable. This shows positions were carried forward, but without leverage stress. Futures participation supported balance, not direction. Call side structure. On the call side, heavy open interest remained at higher strikes. Call rating continued through the session. However, price did not fall back. This indicates the call supply was absorbed, not dominant. Call writers were active, but control weakened. On the put side, open interest shifted upward with price. Put premiums held value into the close. This shows downside protection was retained, not unwound. This reflects structured risk management, not fear. Volatility check. Implied volatility stayed low and stable. There was no volatility expansion during price movement. Stable volatility with higher participation confirms orderly acceptance. OI distribution. Option open interest remained spread across multiple strikes. There was no sharp concentration or panic exit. This indicates inventory adjustment, not forced positioning. Behavior checklist. Ask yourself 5 yes or no questions. Is price moving less than activity? Yes. Are call and put both active? Yes. Is IV stable or falling? Yes. Is futures OI flat or down? Yes. Is OI spread not concentrated? Yes. When most answers are yes, the market is controlled, not emotional. Final structural state. Today was a transition session. The market calmly repriced after the RBI policy event. Control shifted from option writers to price stability. This was not a breakout. This was not a rejection. This was a completed repricing day. This explanation is only to understand market behavior. It does not suggest any trade, any direction, or any action.